Good morning, students. Last week we discussed about good citizen. Before I get into the lesson, I am going to ask few questions from this lesson. Are you ready, children? Yes. Question number 1. When should we wash our hands? Yes. We should wash our hands before and after we eat. Question number 2. What should we use to throw the waste? Yes, we should use dustbin to throw the waste. Question number 3. How should we speak with others? Yes, we should speak politely with others. Question number 4. Which habits help us to lead a healthy life? Yes, clean habits help us to lead a healthy life. Today you are going to learn about atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of air around the earth. Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Children, now we are going to see about weather. Weather is a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place in regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall. Weather changes during the day. It is cool early in the morning. It is very hot at noon. Again it is cool at night. Some days are hot, some days are cold and some days are rainy. All these changes in nature make up the weather. The word weather is often used by us in our day-to-day life. Climate. The word climate is derived from the Greek word called klima. Climate is the average weather for a given period of time. Children, now we are going to see about different kinds of days. Sunny day. On a sunny day, the climate is warm and dry. The sun is bright and the sky is clear. We feel like drinking more water. We also drink cold drinks and eat ice creams. We sweat a lot on sunny days and so we keep the fan at high speed. Children, now we are going to see about rainy day. On a rainy day, it rains heavily with thunder and lightning and the weather is wet and cool. We can see rainwater collect on roads, in ponds, etc. All trees and plants look fresh. We use raincoats and umbrellas when we go out in the rain. Cloudy day. On a cloudy day, the sun is hidden by black clouds and the day is dull. Gases in the atmosphere. Oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78%, other gases 1%, carbon dioxide 0.03 percentage, ozone 0.06 percentage, argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, krypton, xenon, methane. We know that the gravitational force increases near the earth and decreases as we go higher. As a result, the density of air also differs and can be found in 5 layers called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. All the major changes happen in the troposphere. The study of weather is called meteorology. Children, now we are going to see about solar radiation. The earth receives heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation. It is called solar radiation. The sun is the only source of light to all the planets in the solar system. The land, water, and air in our planet receives heat from the sun. Children, now we are going to see about effects of solar radiation. Land conduction, water conversion, atmosphere, terrestrial radiation. The temperature is not same everywhere. Latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, position of the mountain are some of the factors that determine the temperature of a place. Children, now we are going to see about latitude and longitude. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on the Earth's surface from west to east are called latitudes. These are the semicircle extended from North Pole to South Pole. There are 180 latitudes drawn around the Earth's surface, both in northern and southern hemisphere respectively. The 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. It passes through a place called Greenwich in London. North Pole and South Pole end at a point of 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Equator is the greatest circle at the center of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes on the earth. Sunlight takes 4 minutes time to move 1 degree. Children, now we are going to see about heat zones of the earth. The land is divided into various heat zones according to the fall of sun rays on the surface of the earth. The zone which do not get sun rays are called frigid zones. Children, now we are going to see about Himalayas. The highest mountain in the world is Himalayas. Apart from the famous mountain peaks like Mount Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga, Annapurna and Dhaulagiri. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It rises to a height of 8,800 848 meter above sea level. Children, now we are going to see about Totabetta. Totabetta is the highest peak in the Nilgiri ranges. It rises to a height of 2637 meters. There is a reserved forest around the peak. It is 9 km from Ooty on the Ooty-Kotagiri road in the Nilgiri districts of Tamil Nadu. Now I am going to read question and answers. Listen carefully. What is weather? Weather is a short-term condition of temperature, humidity, cloudiness, pressure in a particular place. Question number 2. What are the atmospheric layers? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Question number 3. Write the significance of gases. Oxygen makes life possible on the earth. Carbon dioxide helps to retain warmth on the earth. Ozone protect our earth from the ultraviolet rays.